How to change your Instagram birthday. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now wait for some time and tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply go to account center. Now tap on personal details. Now simply tap on date of birth. Then tap on edit. Again tap on date of birth. Now choose your new date of birth and tap on set. Then click on save and tap on confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.